Save over 160 calories with this juicy, crunchy apple crumble. You'll get that same warm, cozy apple flavor while still supporting your health and weight goals. Let's get started. Core 3 medium apples and cut them into small cubes. No peeling. The skin is packed with fiber, so don't throw it away. Spread the apples in a single layer on a baking sheet and roast for 12 minutes, just until they get a bit caramelized. While the apples are roasting, toast 65 grams of rye flakes on a separate baking sheet for about 4 minutes. It'll bring out their rich, nutty aroma. In a bowl, combine whole grain rye flour, brown sugar, the toasted rye flakes, oat bran, ground flaxseed, cinnamon, ground cardamom, and a pinch of salt. Add 40 grams of cold butter. I actually make my own butter at home. If you'd like that recipe, just let me know. It's super simple. Stir in a little Greek yogurt for moisture, just enough to bring it all together. Place the bowl in the fridge while we make the apple filling. Letting the butter firm up is important for a crispy topping and even baking. When the apples are done roasting, transfer them to a mixing bowl. While they're still hot, toss them with cornstarch, salt, cinnamon, a small pinch of nutmeg, a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix gently to coat, and just a little brown sugar. Spoon the apple filling into your baking dish, and sprinkle the crumble topping evenly over the apples. But don't press it down. Let it stay loose and rustic. Bake at a moderate temperature for 10 minutes. Then lower the heat and bake for around 30 minutes. Let it rest for 15 minutes before serving. This helps the juices thicken and the crumble hold its shape. Serve warm with a spoonful of plain Greek yogurt. The texture, juicy apples with a crisp, golden topping. Lighter than a traditional crumble, but just as comforting. This is a great make-ahead option too. Prep it in the evening and reheat portions in the morning. Easy, cozy, and balanced. Full recipe and macros are in the description. Let me know what you'd like to bake next. Thanks for baking with me.